Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can convert your YouTube video onto an MP3. So first off, it'll have to be your own YouTube video, right? And we're going to be using an app called YouTube Studio. Now from YouTube Studio, you want to go to content here. Now on content, you'll see your videos, right? And let's just pick the one we want to download. So for example, here is example video, right? On example video, you want to click on this three parts and then click on save to device. Let's tap on it. And then you'll see saving example video, just like this, right? Now, once it's saved, you'll see that the notification on the top here has said the video has been downloaded, right? Now, let's move on to our file manager. Let's go to our file manager here. And now let's go to where the YouTube has been downloaded. On my case, it'll be YouTube download. On your device, it might be different, right? So it'll be example video.mp4 here. Now, the way we can change it into an MP3, we just need to tap on it. And then click on more, click on rename, rename the MP4 onto an MP3. Click on OK again, and then you're done. Now our example video has been turned onto an MP3. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.